Hi, and welcome to Litehawk. This little video here is to talk about the Lil Tom and Lil Tom SC. We do get quite a few questions about what are the differences between the two, and really the only difference between the Lil Tom and the Lil Tom SC is the fact that the SC, standing for Snowcross, is a 2-in-1, meaning that it comes with snow tracks, or really great and soft sand, and it also comes with wheels and tires. The regular Lil Tom, which has been traditionally orange since its the start, only comes with the wheels and tires. The SC, again, comes as a 2-in-1, and it comes with both. And the reason why it comes with both is really what we're talking about today. The tracks on the vehicle are designed for surfaces like snow, ice. It's fantastic if you're going to the beach, you're going to play in soft sand that day, but they are not designed and really not recommended for, indoor use, whether that's hardwood floors, carpet, asphalt, grass, even sticky mud, because what happens is the vehicle just wants to continue to track straight at all times and doesn't really perform in tight areas as well as corner very well. So that's why when you get a Lil Tom SC, you get the wheels and tires included in the back. And it's a super easy change. It is one screw per wheel, and we're just going to demonstrate that now. And just undo the screw, take your track off, okay, and then we'll take our new wheel, and then just take what I do is I just use the screwdriver head to pop the screw through, and then take that screw and then use that, and the same screw is used for both wheels and tires and the snow tracks. Now, one thing that's really important is when you're tightening up this screw, please do not over tighten it. You want to snug it up, but not to the point where you're going to strip out the plastic, and then you're going to have a difficult time changing back and forth multiple times. So we want to snug it up, but not too much. So hopefully this video helps and also dispels the myth of what surfaces do I use my tracks on and what surfaces do I use my wheels and tires. Thanks for watching. Check us out. Like us. Till next time.